Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and split screen on your Fortnite on your PS4. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all make sure that if you have one controller that you're using, you have to connect another second controller for you to actually access the split screen. Right, simply go ahead, connect the second controller, and then upon doing that you will be able to find this kind of notification on your screen. All you have to do is tap on this option of add user. Make sure that another player that you have is do have the user ID and that person is also online and is in the lobby. Once you have tapped on this add user, you will have to first of all to assign your controller right over there. Then afterwards, upon doing that, you will find this kind of notification which tells you to simply use this vertical triangle button for you to press and hold, which will simply assign and connect the user of yours. Once the other user have done, you have done the same before, like matching on your game, you will be able to start getting this kind of interface here in this logging in. Once you have both logging in at the same time, you will be able to access this kind of interface where you can go ahead, choose your mode accordingly, and once you have both of you matched at the same time, you will be able to play in any mode here in the split screen on your PS4 for your Fortnite game. So make sure to follow the steps accordingly and you are good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.